know. Not a fun time. We're cruising at almost 50 miles per hour. What the heck is that guy? I'm gonna go tell my neighbor, got a phone call from my, from an old farm around here. He says that he found a very old farm, it's abandoned, and, he wants me to go check it out, see if I want any equipment before he sells the property for certain. Jeez, this farmer in front of me don't want to move. Second gear. This ain't. Oh, third gear. Yeah. This is a manual shift, actually. I've been wanting to get a new truck with at least like a better manual stick, because this thing is so sticky and so hard to shift. Why is this guy going down this road? I only know one farmer that lives down here. What happened to the place? What the heck happened? Where'd all the buildings go? Where is my neighbor at? Oh, not even my neighbor, but where is he? Yeah. Let me see if I can call him. Din din din. This is old janky phone. It's very weird. It's like a big blocky phone. Din din din. Please don't tell me there's crime like there was last time. I'm gonna follow this guy. I still need to decide what should I do with that international setting in the back of my bed truck. I'm gonna go sell it. I lost the mowing deck. The mowing deck's lost. I don't know where the mowing deck went. Someone probably robbed it. Honestly, why would they rob it? It's new equipment? My truck's beat up, that's for sure. Let's see who this guy is. Hey! Wait a minute. Well, I was going to head down to your farm and tell you something, but all your buildings are gone. Did, like, you sell them or something?
Yeah, I sold it to him, man. He's already, destroyed all the buildings, sold them all. He said leave the grass how it is, and he's baling it and all that. He's turning it into a housing.
Oh, I also sold my I also sold my grass field because I didn't want to do baling no more. Someone's turning that into like a house addition as well.
It's probably the same dude.
Yeah, I found an old farm with like a lot of old equipment and like pretty good equipment. I want to know if you want to come down and meet me there.
Yeah, I can. I'll come down and meet you.
Alright, well, here's the address. It's like very up in the hills, so
Okay. I'll see if my truck can
but also, warning, you're going to have to go in. You have to go to cross a pond to get to the place, because the pond. There used to be a driveway, but then the pond sunk it in. So.
Okay. Well, I'll meet you there. When do you want to meet up at? What time?
probably like an hour or so. It's gonna take me about 30 minutes to get down there, so.
Okay, I'm probably just gonna drive this down here then. I haven't bought a tractor yet though.
Alright, maybe you find one there. Alright. Start the thing back up. Alright. Let's hope I can find a new truck up there. This truck is old. I had a big problem when I was trying to pull it out earlier. The gear got stuck, so I had to go underneath the truck, disable the transmission, and fix it. But it only goes to third gear now. It doesn't go to fourth gear. See, it tops out like 40 miles per hour, 40, 50 miles per hour. It doesn't go 70 miles per hour like it used to. It's topped out at that much so far, so. Yep. Time to go to that place. Alright, drive my thing. Oh, that's a field. Okay. It's pretty weird to get through. Oh, are you kidding me? This is the only path. Through a pond. It's the only way. Oh, here it goes nothing. Through a pond. Oh, my truck made it. But my truck's... Ooh, there's a lot of equipment here. A lot of trucks. A lot of... There's a grain wagon. I have to get out and look at all this stuff. It's 91st Century X. What's this? That's a Park Ranger's car over here, abandoned. Looks like 1970s. It's probably about 20 years old. 4-cylinder. Ooh. A lot of good clip. Ooh, look at this. Johnny A. Oh, what's this? It's like a supercar. Yeah, this place is very, really abandoned. Bushes growing everywhere. Well, wait, what is it? Is this a 2-row corn harvester? I was thinking about doing corn, but I didn't have a corn head. Maybe this could work. This could actually work. What? This is diesel fuel. Is there any diesel in here? Let's hop up. Come on, let's get up. Oh, this tank's like almost halfway full. The diesel may not be working, but it's a pretty nice tank. But where is he? He should be pulling up any minute now. Wait, I'm gonna go in my truck quickly. There is some there's starter spray I have. No, that's not starter spray. That's all those air horses. What is that? No, what the heck? Bro, this is a road. That's not really a road no more, but there's a road to get in. You almost hit the grain wagon.
I tapped it. It's okay. Its axle's already broken.
Well, I only explored the place a little bit, but I only went to the barn. There's some good, fine stuff here.
Oh wow, they have a lot.
Like all these tractors, trucks.
Some of it probably does, but probably none of it. Like this thing.
This thing may work.
No. Is the keys in?
It is. Oh.
Wait, do you own this property?
Yes, I do. Actually, now I do. I don't know what happened. Let me tell you. Hey, spray it into the intake. Yeah, almost. Oh, it turned over. Do you think the gears will work?
Is it in neutral?
Yeah.
Try to rev it and see if it stays on.
It's trying to move. It's staying on.
Yeah, turn it off for now. We got this one thing works.
It also has a diesel tank on the back.
Yeah. Oh, this is the world's tiniest plow I've ever seen. I think I can pick this up bare-handing it.
I know, you probably could.
Now this thing.
Oh, I have not explored. This is like a 2-row corn harvester, like one of the old ones.
It's like a forage header. kind of.
It could be, honestly.
Looks good.
Anyways, let's look
One reason
around
I
the
came
place.
here was for a tractor because I need a tiny tractor with a good amount of
Well,
horsepower.
we already have tractors over here on this trailer.
I don't know. How much horsepower do you think this thing has?
Around 40, I think. 50?
40? I know this thing because I've had one of these.
Probably, I think this one's 25, maybe. It's only one cylinder. I have
Yeah,
noticed there's like
that
planters. There's stuff on the bushes. You want to look in the bushes? Oh, what's that? I see a truck over here.
Crawling. Oh, I see a house.
I see a truck.
Oh,
I don't know. The truck doesn't turn over. Oh, you found a truck?
oh, I'm sorry. Oh yeah. One sec.
It's the wrong side, mate.
Pause the video, Lucas.
Alright, try to hop in.
Okay, it's kind of dirty in here.
Yeah, the truck's probably been sitting for about 10 years.
Starts. Got a cracked windshield, I can tell you that. It ain't working at all.
It's a Cummins diesel engine.
You can't really, the hood isn't opening either, so.
Nothing in the back. But I found this thing over here, by the way. This big old back.
Ah! I know there.
Let me try to start it.
Yeah.
Do you think it's going to turn over?
Yeah, just give it 3 more tries and see.
Oh, they turn over?
See, open the cover, see if it's got anything in, or open the cover, see if it's got nothing. It's clean as a whistle in here.
Do you think it could drive?
Yeah, see if we can. Oh, you got flats.
Yeah, it definitely has flats.
Yeah, I wouldn't say they're on the rims.
I'm gonna pull it up to at least my truck though, so we could have. I have an air pump in my truck. That thing works.
You have an air pump in this thing?
In my toolbox, right? There you go. Here's the air hose.
I don't think it's gonna keep it. It looks pop. Or not pop. Punctured.
Well, we'll have to go get new tires then.
Yeah. I'm gonna keep exploring. You need this planter right here.
It's a cord planter, yeah. Heck, I do.
You wanna see? Explore the whole property? You go that way, I go this way and see?
Yeah, sure. I basically already explored the whole property. I found this pretty cool car over here. Despite all these junk cars. Let's see if this thing turns over. The hood's stuck, so. Seems pretty nice on the inside. Doesn't look dirty at all. No way it's starting. No way. It's outside. How? And well, it's not as dirty as the others, so it's probably just brand new here. What the heck?
Hey man, you like my new toy?
Where do you find this at?
Right by that house. Mobile home. Right by the mobile home.
Hey, do you like my new toy as well?
Take it to the drag strip. Get some money out of it.
It's an old German supercar.
Looks like a BMW.
Probably is, honestly. Sounds like a BMW. Ooh, god damn. This thing has some acceleration in it. Oh god, it's just a love tap. It's just a love tap. Yo, is your engine broken, son?
I think the battery's dead on it.
Oh crap, we're gonna have to find a battery charger here somewhere. I don't have one.
Pull your truck up to the front of mine. I think we can just jump them.
Alright, how about that Mac over there? We haven't tried this over here. Let's see if it starts up.
Hopefully don't got a dead battery if it does.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it does. All the lights turn on. Second try? I recommend you move out of the way, by the way.
Yeah, I'll detach the trailer for you.
Yeah, I detached the trailer. It's getting stuck in the back.
You're good. Oh, stop. That's good, that's good. Here, turn it off.
That's Mac. I may have to keep this to myself. I mean, to be fair, Mac engines always last, they say, don't they?
I think they never last. I've never had one last a year on me.
Probably because you push it to its limit.
You should take one of these cars right here.
Nah, these ones are broken, probably. Yeah, look, the hood's crushed in.
You have to take the frame of it, though.
Probably sell that for scrap, honestly.
I would take this.
Oh, wait. How did I not notice this?
I'm gonna go work on the car.
I'm gonna go work on this Model A. Okay, take off the air filter. Alright. Let's see if this thing works. Oh, it's not cranking. I'm gonna have to come back more stuff. A farm mail? Let's see if this cranks. No, battery's dead.
I heard farm mail.
Yeah, an M. It's a Super M. Probably 50 horsepower, I guess.
This thing never gonna run. These things never were reliable, and everyone says it.
Well, you don't know. They may run, but found a pretty nice lift in here. Probably not gonna work.
Take this little thing for a spin.
You wanna take the? You wanna take this?
Wreck it in a ditch.
Wait, you wanna keep the car? It's a V4.
I've got my truck. I don't need that.
I'm gonna need a new truck. My truck's barely running. The fourth gear shredded itself on the way out of my house. Alright, well, I'll move the Mac out with you.
Try to get that one truck over there, TLX truck over there working. Fix it up.
Yeah, I'm hoping at least I'm at least hoping to bring back a corn header, a planter, and maybe a grain truck if I have time. This thing starts right up though. That thing's good. Well, I'm gonna try these tractors, alright? I just chop it on. The only tractor I see work is this Matty Ferguson. Let's try this in there. Finally started. No wonder they discontinued. This is a 1-cylinders. This is the one I'm really hoping to bring home. It's not a very bad condition, honestly. What you working on in here? Let me help you for this. Come on. I hear it trying to crank. Wait, hey, hold up a minute. I'll go get a battery for it, right?
I don't think the battery's dead.
Probably is, honestly. It's been there for a while. Let's take this battery out. Let me put the battery in. Move your foot. Move your foot. Alright, new batteries in it. Let's try it now. Come on, start up. Come on. Come on. You got it. It's almost starting up. Is it started up?
Died right on me when I pressed the accelerator.
Maybe let it warm up first. It moves. Nice. How you?
Squeaky brakes.
The only way you could get out is if I move this car right here.
Yeah. See if it works. You probably won't be able to push that.
Let's see. I put the. Oh god, the truck's in the way. I should be able to move just enough though for you to get out. Hey, what type of fuel does that thing run?
Diesel.
Oh, this thing is halfway full of diesel. Does it have? Is it low on diesel?
No, it's full. It's got a full tank. It's probably rust because it can be on that side. Let's see if this thing works.
Sure, I've been wanting to know.
Attach me up to it.
Alright, don't start the PO. Yeah, I need to attach the PO. There you go, PO's attached.
Okay, watch out.
Oh, it's starting. Dude, let's have the August starting first. Everything's starting. See if you try to go forward with it. See if the farmer can handle it. It can handle it. Alright, be careful, be careful, be careful.
Am I clear?
Yes, you're clear, you're clear?
Wait, I don't think I'm clear on this side. I'm real close to that edge.
You're not clear, you're not clear.
Close enough.
Like an inch. Keep going. Keep going. I feel you can clear it. I think this thing barely fits. Turn it off first. Turn it off. You're clear on this side?
Watch the tire. Watch the tire of that tractor.
Oh, you almost hit that thing.
I wish there was corn around here.
Honestly, yeah, we could test it right out if we could. Why? Hey, do you want to keep the farm mill? Cause I won't be wanting the farm mill.
I'm gonna see if the pipe works on this thing.
It does. It dumps it right out. Oh, here comes all the rat poop coming out. That's fun.
Oh, that's nice.
At least you cleaned it.
Yeah. Still gonna need cleaning after that.
Yeah, this thing's probably been sitting for at least 20 years, honestly.
You probably, if you want to, you can take that. I'm probably just gonna take this farm mill, park it out in front of my farm.
I mean, you have a nice little farm mill you can use any time, though. It's a Super M right now. It's the best version of the M, I think. That thing's booking it, Jesus. Oh, good. Am I good? Whoa!
That's good.
Well, you're welcome for me, asking to come down here. At least you have tractors, you know?
Yeah. Two tractors.
I have 2 tractors out of it, and you didn't even want one of them.
Need me to pay you anything for them?
Nah, it's free. If you got them running, it's free, he said.
I'll be seeing you later.
See you
I'll
too.
be down. I live, you know the port? I moved to,
Yes, I know the port where I sell my grain at.
yeah, if you just drive down that road kind of, well, don't drive to the port, but if you take a right at that four-way stop near the bridge, and then a left, and just ride that road, you'll see my property down there.
Alright, well, you're welcome.
Right down to the water edge.
Call me if you need anything.
Okay.
I'm definitely gonna have to come back here someday. There's so much equipment here I can't even transport back. Let's see if this mighty person works. Starts up instantly. It's nice. Let's back it up. It does reverse. I'm gonna use this trailer since it's here already. I'm gonna see what type of equipment I want to haul in this thing. I'm gonna have to haul this back for at least a car or something. He did say try to get the TRX working. Where is it at? Oh, there it is. It's all covered in bushes and rust. Maybe if I clean this thing off, I'll run again. Oh, this thing's not working. I'm gonna have to tow this thing out. I'll come back later for that thing, but at least the little tiny car works. Maybe that car has a tow hitch. I don't know. Let's try to take this back, though. That's for sure. I guess I'll haul up, Alright, I'll probably disconnect this, hook this up to the coin header, and then bring back this track on the coin header with it. And I'll come back for the planter later, but... this thing runs like a champ, though. I'll just leave my truck here, honestly. Oh, god dang. Let's connect the POV and the thing. Let's see if this thing even runs it. Very slow. This thing barely has enough horsepower. Alright, need to back it up. Oh god dang, I'm having a hard time loading this up. Wish my neighbor was here. Oh god dang. Oh god dang, that tire's slipping. There you go, it finally loaded. Ooh, gotta watch the Mac tire. That's so close back. Let's move the Mac actually. Oh yeah, a new guy moved into town. I think his name's like Rowan. Something like that. I don't know where he lives, but my neighbor probably should know where he lives. My neighbor is always meeting new people every day, it seems like. Oh god, come on. You can load onto the trailer. I know you can. Well, the state's headed off the trailer. Probably should strap it down. Now, what vehicle should I take back with this thing? Does this thing have a trailer hitch on the back? Looks like it does. Let's see if this thing runs and starts again. It does. Oh, you guys should see my farm from down there. The blue building all the way down there across the river. This thing should have a trailer hitch. Let's see if it does. It does. Alright, let's connect it. There you go. It should be connected. And this thing's struggling a little bit, but we'll have to cross this pond right here to at least get to the road. Oh, god damn, we just have some water going in the intake. Let's hope it doesn't damage the truck too much. We made it out. This thing's rolling to life right now. It's just going, it's pumping its engine right now. Good thing it's a diesel, it would explode if it was gasoline. We're actually moving past 40 right now. Well, we'll come back to that place to get my truck later. Maybe I'll ask the neighbor for a ride. Never been on this side of the island, actually. Oh, this turn's gonna be tight. Oh no. Alright, let's do this. Keep. Alright, we didn't hit a sign. That's good. This is a one-lane road. If someone comes down it, they have to move out of the way from me. Because I don't want to move off the road in this semi. Pretty nice interior, though. Looks like it's all leather. Max logos on it and everything. I should check out his place sometime, honestly. He's doing grape farming. Never heard of it. He got the brand new grape harvester, though. He's lucky dog, don't you know that? Oh god, I need a break. Alright, we're on the main road now. This is probably the first time I've seen the main road in probably 20 years. I looked at the maintenance stand. It said the stand was last maintenance in 1975. Does Mac even have a place around here no more? There's my grass field I just mowed for basically nothing. Why hasn't there been traffic around here for a while? Oh yeah, it's school. It's a school day. No wonder there's gonna be no traffic. It's Monday, August the 2nd. Is this even gonna fit? Probably not. So let's park off the side right here. Let's see if my neighbor will pick up. See if I can head back and pick up my truck. Let's see if I can connect it to the planter. Let's go inside the house. Let's see if he has his phone line already connected. He told me his number when I was jumping his car earlier. Open the door. My door's locked. Yeah, I guess I have to use the barn phone then. The very crappy barn phone. Where should it be? Oh yeah, it should be in here. Oh, nope, that's also locked. I forgot my keys. Oh, here's a phone. Din 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 din.
Hello.
Hey, is this as well?
Yeah.
Never mind. You are the guy that I met with the abandoned farm, right?
I'm your neighbor.
Yes, I just forgot your name, alright? Eswell? Alright. Well, I need you to could you possibly pick me up and bring me back to that place? I drove back in a Mack semi and I didn't have my truck on the trailer.
I'll be down there in like a solid hour as I
Alright, well I'll be doing maintenance on the Mack
still
then.
making it down to the farm, my farm.
Alright, well I'll be selling something, Bubba, so see ya. Well, also I am selling these melon attachments. I don't need them no more. Should be a buyer coming anytime soon to look at it. Looks like it should be pulling up now. Let's try to get this unloaded, actually. I have an air pump now. I bought it from a guy down the road. So let's try to back this up now. Come on, back it up, back it up. It says bottoming out. Come on, little tractor. Come on, Matty Ferguson. Come on, come on. I don't want to bust an engine valve. There we go, now it's off. I don't know what use I'm gonna have for this little tiny tractor. Could be just decoration now. Hey, you just shut my doors. Hey! What the heck, man? What are you doing?
Dad got here early.
Oh, you're my neighbor. I was about to punch you in the face.
I'm stealing your stuff. Go.
No, 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 no. Are you,
Oh, you should, see if there's any farm drops around. Use it.
honestly, I should test this. Anyways, did you see my new workshop? Oh, God, where did you keep going? I'm not in the time for this. God, he broke the door. No, he did it. No, he did it. Hey, can you give me a second? A buyer was here to buy my mower, alright?
Okay.
So you don't mess with my stuff a lot. Just don't wreck anything. Oh, here it is. Hey, what's up, man? Alright, yeah, we could do a deal. $2,000 for both? Yeah, they're pretty used. I would say, could you do $210? Ah, thanks, man. I'm not gonna question why he's driving through my grass, but alright. Don't even ask me what happened.
Yeah. But, you wanna me to drive you down there?
Yeah, I need you to drop me off at that place. Let me hop in this thing. Pretty nice truck you have. What type of truck is this? A 1982?
Nope. It's a 2000.
2000 version?
It's, 1 year. So, I've been so worried about my money and all that. What year are we on again?
What year are we in?
Yeah, what year are we, like...
How can we forget? What, 1996, boy? It's August 2nd,
1997.
What now?
You know how manufacturers always do that 1 year up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so this truck is 1997?
Yeah.
This truck's brand new, but it's all dirty. Did you just go mudding or something?
Nope. Just going through, the bushes kind of whacked it up.
Let's hope it didn't scratch your paint, that's for sure.
I was gonna live here, but it was too,
Hilly?
on a slant.
Yeah, also, if you also fall down, you're going to the river, though, so... I can still see my farm from here. It's a bright blue building.
The team there was up on these people's land, they won't care.
Yeah, I was thinking about maybe try to start the other truck. It's a Cummins 1982, the same maker of your truck, but it's just older. Do it help me out? Like, do it help me out later? Like, probably like a week from now.
I probably can. I don't know if I can or not because I have to.
Oh, I have a question. Does this truck has the race suspension option, the hydraulic suspension?
No, it doesn't. I didn't pay that extra funding.
Oh, I think the truck that's over there has that option on. It has it on.
I don't do race suspension.
I don't know what's the point of it. It's just the point to get out of sticky situations or something.
I wondered if you owned this sunflower seed when I pulled out.
He probably does, honestly. Oh, you're driving through the water now?
Yeah.
That's the only way to get into this place, honestly.
Or going through the bushes. I'll see you later.
See ya, lad. Ah. Time to start my truck.
Sorry.
I got attached this. Wait, there we go. It's all attached to the truck. Really need to get rid of this Ford. Oh god, this Ford is literally squatting down from this planter. Oh god dang. My back tires maybe hit at the top at this point. Oh, I just popped a wheelie. Yeah, this thing is literally struggling just to pull this. I think I need to plant wheat next month, yeah? Don't know what's the next month after this, but very excited to plant wheat. This plant is going to be a pain in the butt to get home now. It's very wide. My Ford truck's fourth gear is still shredded to pieces right now. I really need a new truck. Why can't they make better trucks at this point? I'm gonna have to cut through the grass right here. There is no way I'm gonna be able to make that turn. Oh god, I'm popping the wheelie! I'm popping wheelies, I'm popping wheelies. Oh god, I just jab knifed myself. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 I'm stuck on top of the planter. No, 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 no. Maybe it's the lawnmower in the back that's weighing me down way too much. Oh, I just hit a random car. Oh, god damn it. I know what, I'm unloading this lawnmower. I'm gonna have to unload this lawnmower. It's weighing me down way too much. You know what? I'll put a little lawnmower into the bushes. I'll come back for it later, probably. This is way too much pressure. This truck sucks at freaking weight distribution. I'm sorry, lawnmower, but you're going into the bushes. Oh, god dang! My neck! I flipped the lawnmower and did a 360. Oh, god dang. I probably just broke my neck from that. Today is not going too great for me today. It doesn't seem like. Now we should be able to haul the planter. Oh, jeez. Honestly, maybe just leave the lawnmower there. What's the point of having it? I don't even have the mowing deck for it no more. Someone stole it from me. I wouldn't get why you would steal a mowing deck without stealing the lawnmower, but that's just you, I guess. Yeah, this thing is way goddamn. Pop the wheel again. But I said this thing's way better at hauling now for probably a half a ton small track in the back of the bed. It's just such a journey just to get home, honestly. Well, my Lord have mercy. How did I make it back through that small little tight opening in my fence? I still need to get this back working. My place is getting way too small for this place now. I'm gonna have to buy the property right here and put a shed down eventually. If that thing's rolling. Come on, Mac, you can reverse it. Oh, of course. The second reverse gear is broken. That's fine. I need to start organizing, honestly. There's like way too much stuff here. I'll probably move this trailer back there. Alright, we need to start moving this stuff. Let's start the 4440. Why did I call it that, honestly? I just call it that for some reason. Let's move that right here. Out of the way. So we have to start seeding next month. Alright, let's pull this in here. Start working this. I'll probably keep the battery first as like a little tiny work tractor. Ooh, that is. I'll just park it right here, honestly. I'll park this tractor up by the work because I'll be working on this tonight. I think one of the gears are messed up or the timing's messed up on it. This truck has flat tires as well. I need to buy new tires at the store. Oh, there's all my skid steer stuff, that's for sure. Let's see how good I can back up a seeder. The seeder probably only needs basic maintenance, honestly. Everything's being put away right now. So what he put away is the back of the trailer. Honestly, I'm probably gonna just I'm probably gonna leave the trailer in the front yard. Maybe I'll call the guy that owns the that used to own the property, see if he wants the trailer. Come on, Mac. I know you only have like not very much diesel left, but you can back it up at least. Well, at least this all the stuff could fit in my shed at least. That's a miracle. I could still fit like at least another piece of equipment, another piece of equipment, another piece of equipment. I could fit like probably 4 more pieces of equipment in my shed. So glad I bought this property for like 200K, but money well spent, they say. Now where is the button at? And I'll just leave it up. It's just a sunny day. Well, let's actually go to
Lucas,
the...
you can skip months.
Alright, and we are back for another day. Let's work it here. Don't know why the slow goes on my pipe with the shed. Worked all night. This thing's finally starting up without jumping cables. So leave. So to be able to move out here, I'm probably gonna have to use the this tractor today. So let's open the shed real quickly. Let's start the step. Starts up like a champ now. I'm gonna have to sell some of my equipment soon. Probably gonna sell my don't know what I should sell. Well, that was dangerously close. But we bought some seed. I had some seed get delivered into that port right there. There's about like 2 sections of that port. And it looks like... What is this? What is this? What is this? Quinoa is growing now. Yes. I forgot that I played the quinoa, but... Our drill plow, I could upgrade the drill plow, but I don't really have a big field, so what's the point? We got some fertilizer in here. Let's fill this up. Oh, we may just bump a little love tap. It's all filled up. There goes the train. So, we have not been over to this field yet, so I have no idea if it's planted or not. Let's hope it's not. How am I stuck with something? No way I'm stuck with something. Come on, push. Come on, you 4-wheel drive. Come on, let's go. I really need to make that. I really need to make a bigger fence, but this should be my... This is my field. Oh no, I need to plow this myself. Should have did this before. This is like on a slope, so yeah, if my harvester tips over, I'm going straight into the water probably. I do not own very much land actually. That's pretty weird. Jeez, very soon I'm about to buy a bigger property then. Let's head back for the cultivator. Let's pick up the cultivator. Let's start cultivating, then we can start seeding. I say in the future, if we get enough money, I did get about 100K off that grass field. I say that eventually, we should. Oh, it's not cultivator. Oh, come on. Doing a single outline for my cultivator right now. Oh, my tractor, I definitely have to set some weight on the left side so I don't fall into the river. Pretty nice view though, gotta say. Definitely lucked out on the view. I could probably go a little closer to the river. Ah, crap, it stopped. Yeah, I probably better do a better outline. At least next year I know what the field outline will be. think I own all of this right here. Don't know how the header's going to get through here, so probably just better do corn harvesting over here. I'll definitely plant wheat though, so I can at least make some money. First outline is done. I have to fix whatever that outline was. Now it's time to do this whole entire field. Real first I'm gonna fix the outline, but yeah. Good thing this 4440 is actually working great. Good thing I bought a tractor with at least 150 horsepower. I should put crop rows on this thing. Actually, how would it look with that? Should I put crop rows on it? Probably ask my neighbor. He did farming before, probably. Well, hopefully he did farming before. Like, I bet crop farming, where you plant stuff. You know what I mean now. Our brain isn't braining today, doesn't seem like. This cultivator is looking great. Don't think my neighbor needs anything today. It's October. It's pretty cold. And it's October 14th. First planting season. Actually, the last planted window of the year. So currently we're just planting right now. We're going to start planting, but currently we're stuck cultivating. Alright, last row right here. We have a little piece I missed over there though, so I'm gonna have to go pick that back up. Let's back it up. Alright, time to pick this all up. And we are basically all done with the cultivating. Let's go over and pick up these few little type pieces I missed. Took probably about 3 hours honestly, but that's because I was in low gear. I was only going like 2 miles per hour over on the hill section because I didn't want to slide down and kill myself, you know. Let me go put this thing up in my field, and we will start planting the wheat. Oh god, this fence will be to death of me probably. I'll make sure to put that up, or I'll make sure to put that up later. Let's go and finish it off of the planting season about 2 p.m. today. We don't have very much left because it sunsets at 6 p.m. It's October. I cannot speak today, but it's very sunset and sunrise are very late and early today. How am I only going 2 miles per hour? What the heck? Oh, that's gonna be fun. Alright, now we are seeding now. It's gonna be a pretty good fun experience. We're doing the outline first, of course, because we need to. And then we'll start doing the rows. I could go close to the water, but it's not probably a good thing if I did go closer, as I could risk my equipment falling into the water. No wonder this was probably a grass field before. It's so hard to farm on, but I can make miracles come happen. Well, sometimes I can make miracles come happen, but yeah. This is my least favorite part because I'm always going to probably miss something right there. Oh, god dang, that is so close. Oh, god dang, my seeder almost went into the water. Probably touch the water, honestly, at that point. This part, I just hate this part, probably. This part's also gonna kill me. Oh, we're slipping. Oh, there you go. 4-wheel drive engage. There you go. Okay. Come on, 4-wheel drive engage. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. I actually made it somehow. And at least we'll have water to water our crops. Alright, well, let's start seeing. This is the fastest it's going to go. Oh, Lord. This is so slow. We're on an incline right now, and this seed only requires 80 horsepower, but this tractor still has 150. This hill is making it so difficult just to seed. 4-wheel drive engage. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This isn't fun.